Managing projects efficiently requires more than just a to-do list. It demands real-time scheduling, task collaboration, and resource allocation to ensure everything runs smoothly. Planyway is a feature-rich project planning and time management tool designed to help individuals and teams organize their work, plan tasks, and track progress across multiple projects. As a Trello power-up and standalone tool, Planyway brings calendar-based scheduling, timeline views, and team collaboration into one intuitive platform. Whether you're a freelancer, project manager, or part of a growing team, Planyway helps you stay organized, manage workloads effectively, and enhance productivity. In this tutorial, we'll cover Planyway's key features and benefits, why it's a great choice, and tips to maximize your efficiency with the platform. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its multi-view project planning. Planyway provides multiple views, including calendar, timeline, Gantt charts, and Kanban boards, allowing users to visualize their projects the way they prefer. This flexibility makes it easy to track deadlines, assign tasks, and adjust plans as needed. This ensures better visibility into project timelines, helping teams stay on track and meet deadlines efficiently. Another key feature is the task and subtask management. With Planyway, users can create tasks, subtasks, and checklists directly within the platform. You can set due dates, priorities, and labels to keep everything organized. This helps break down larger projects into manageable parts, making it easier to track progress and maintain accountability. Another key feature is the resource and team management. Planyway allows managers to assign tasks to team members, monitor workloads, and balance resources effectively. With drag and drop scheduling, you can easily reassign tasks based on availability. This prevents overloading team members while optimizing productivity across teams and projects. Another key feature is the Trello integration and syncing with external calendars. As a Trello power up, Planyway seamlessly integrates with Trello boards, allowing users to link tasks and cards with calendar events. It also syncs with Google Calendar, Outlook, and Apple Calendar, ensuring your schedules stay up to date. This keeps all project timelines in sync, reducing confusion and eliminating the need to switch between multiple apps. Another key feature is the time tracking and reporting. Planyway includes built-in time tracking to log hours spent on tasks, so it generates detailed reports on productivity, helping teams analyze time spent on different projects. This provides valuable insights into productivity trends, allowing for better time management and efficiency improvements. Another key feature is the recurring tasks and automated reminders. Planyway lets users set up recurring tasks and automatic reminders, ensuring important deadlines and routine activities aren't forgotten. This reduces the need for manual scheduling, saving time and ensuring tasks are completed on time. Another key feature is its drag and drop task scheduling. The intuitive drag and drop feature allows users to reschedule tasks effortlessly, by moving them across the calendar or timeline. This simplifies task management, making it easy to adjust deadlines and adapt to changing priorities. So, why is Planyway a great choice? Planyway stands out as a comprehensive planning tool for individuals and teams who want to enhance project visibility and time management. Its integration with Trello makes it particularly useful for teams already using Kanban workflows, while its flexible scheduling features cater to various planning styles, from Gantt charts to timeline views. Additionally, its ability to sync with external calendars ensures that all deadlines and appointments are in one place, reducing scheduling conflicts. Time tracking and reporting features also provide crucial insights into how time is being spent, helping teams optimize productivity and improve efficiency. So by combining task management, team collaboration, and scheduling in one platform, Planyway is an essential tool for freelancers, project managers, and businesses aiming for better project execution and resource management. So basically, Planyway is more than just a task manager. It's a powerful project planning and time management tool that provides multiple views, Trello integration, team collaboration features, time tracking, and external calendar syncing. So, whether you're managing personal projects or leading a team, Planyway helps you stay organized, meet deadlines, and optimize productivity. So if you're looking for a flexible, easy to use, and feature rich solution for project and time management in 2025, Planyway is an excellent choice. So if you need more information about Planyway, you can always visit their website. And from here, you'll see a bunch of different information about its features, what it can do. So there are a bunch of different features here that I haven't mentioned. And of course, you can always compare their pricing right here, as you can see. So always make sure to choose the right subscription plan that has all of your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.